Picking a tire for your dirt bike can be super overwhelming, especially with all the options we have in the market, and we're all looking for that hybrid tire, that one in the middle that does it all. And luckily, Michelin has that option. It's called the Enduro Medium. It's the perfect middle ground for some technical riding and some off-road riding, giving you the confidence and the grip you needed. We've tested those tires out at the EWXC and now prepping for the IMPI Hard Enduro, and also on the off-road side we've raced GXCCs and the cross country. Then on the trail riding side, we've taken that tire, put it on the 450 and rode with it at the Hogsback Rally Raid. The perfect middle ground. And yes, you are giving up on both options. If you do want to go super technical, we have the Michelin Extreme. Perfect tire, super soft, sticky gummy, allowing you to get more grip up those very technical climbs and stuff. On the off-road side, you have the Starcross 6, and those are terrain specific tires. If you want the ultimate cross-country performance, the Starcross 6 is there. If you want the best grip for those technical climbs, the Michelin Extreme Enduro is the perfect option from that side. But the most of us, we do a bit of both. On the one weekend, we'll enter a GXCC race and go do some off-road racing from that side. But the next weekend, we go to Enduro trails with our friends and want to be able to match those climbs and get up those hills from that side. And that's why I feel the Enduro Medium is the perfect tire right there in the middle, giving you enough confidence and grip on the fast side, being able to handle those loads and long distances on the off-road side, but also going to the trails and be able to ride and have enough grip on that side. The key part here is not to get overwhelmed. Analysis paralysis is usually the aim of the game from that side, and you get super overwhelmed or picking a tire. Like the most of us just want to ride and enjoy our dirt bikes, the Enduro Medium is a perfect option for those riding. Hopefully this short little video gives you a little bit of insight on which tire to go from which side. I'm not getting into too many of the technical specs. Those you can all find down below on Michelin's website. I'll link all the tire options down below, and you guys can pick and choose which option you're going for. And down below, let me know what your tire of choice is. What type of riding conditions do you do? And if you have any questions, also just pop them down in the questions. Thank you guys for watching and joining the Slow to Pro journey. I'm super excited to share anything that I learned and everything that I experience on this side with you guys. So if you like this journey, like this type of content, please consider subscribing, liking this video, and let's start a heated debate down below on which is the best tires for which option. See you guys in the next one.